Hello, fellow traders. It's Wednesday, March 12th, and today we had an excellent opportunity to make money trading the S&P E-mini. And why is that? Because the gap trade gave us the hint that the price was going to hit the gap, and the price opened up at the 9:30 mark, 70 points above the gap, and moved in that direction for the first hour of the day, hour and a half, and gave us a wonderful opportunity. There wasn't too much guesswork in today's trading. So let's see how the day progressed. And I'm starting out at the market just prior to the market open. And here's how the market moved. And I'm going to stop it just where the market opens, right over here. Okay, the market opened right over here, made a high at 56.45. Okay, market opened at 56.45. The gap is down here at 55.75, so 70-point potential. Now, whenever the price opens way above or below the previous day's close, excellent opportunity for the gap trade. So you always need to watch for it, because the gap trade is a trade that closes 70% of the time. If you don't know the gap trade, it's one of my 6 trade setups that I teach in my course. And if you don't know the gap trade, you've got to know the gap trade if you're trading at all. Okay, so here's how the day went. And so the day opened up, as I said, high 56.45, and immediately went down to the Taylor calculated resistance line. So the resistance line was up here, but of course the price doesn't always open exactly at the resistance or the support level. It's the range that's more important. But nevertheless, we're looking for the gap trade today, because this was an excellent opportunity. Previous close was down here at 55.75. Prices open here at 56.45. Let's continue. And as the day moved on, prices went back up to the resistance line, and then boom, hit the gap and went through it. We could have gotten off right at the gap and made upwards of 70 points for that trade. So let me ask you something. When was the last time you made 70 points in one trade in the S&P E-mini? Now, I'm not going to say that this is going to be a 70-point trade, because of course we want to use some patience and see where the prices are really going to go. We're not going to jump on immediately, but as the prices moved in that direction and didn't take out the intraday high, which was put in right at the open, it was a good guess that the gap was going to close, and certainly 50 points, very realistic. So when was the last time you made 50 points trading the S&P E-mini? At $50 a point, that's $2,500 if you're trading the E-mini. Okay, $250 if you're trading the micro E-mini. Great trade, simple trade, and it was very, very profitable. So that's my video for today. If you don't know about trading the gap trade, check out my course at timelessdollar.com, or check out the Taylor calculator, again at timelessdollar.com. It's been used by traders all over the world in multiple markets. George Taylor developed it. I made the calculations available to traders all around the world who have used it. So trade safely, use lots of patience. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.